Hey Milo, you ready to go? What are you doing? What are you doing? Steering wheel's crooked because I'm turned funny. Hi. You're being weird. We are in line to get our truck washed because it's covered in salt and it's disgusting. We got stuck in the snow again in Illinois. 2 days sitting up there, partly because there was a horrible pileup on the highway we needed to go down. It even made the news. It was like a 100-vehicle pileup. It was a mess. We stopped short of that. Didn't know there was a pileup. I just knew that the traffic was backing up, so I stopped to wait it out. It didn't get cleaned up till 2 o'clock the next day. So we just decided to do a 34-hour break where we were sitting, and now it is Saturday instead of Friday when I usually do our video. And we've dropped the trailer in Miami, Oklahoma. What are you doing, weirdie? Huh? You little weirdo. Dropped our trailer in Miami, Oklahoma. Yes, we did. Now we're going back up to Bolivar in the mornings. We're out of hours now. And we're going to Columbus, Ohio, because, you know, we haven't been north enough yet in the last few weeks. Hopefully it doesn't snow on us again. I'm getting really tired of getting stuck in the snow in Illinois. Because Illinois is awful, apparently, about cleaning off their roads. Especially around Bloomington. Bloomington? Yeah. Bloomington Normal area? Yeah, I don't know what those guys have, what's up, but every time there's been bad accidents and I got stuck in the snow, it's been in that area. So, nothing much going on right here at the moment. There's about, we got 2 lines, there's 3 trucks in the line next to us, probably about 3 trucks in front of me here. Milo's gonna go back in there where it's dark. And, yeah, we've probably got at least 45 minutes sitting here waiting to get through the truck wash. So, we will talk to you guys again on Monday. We'll see how it goes this time. Maybe we'll just get rain and not snow and ice this time. That'd be great. Talk to you guys later. Washing the truck. It's like one of your favorite things in the world. It is. You look worried. Why are you worried?
Is this all that you dreamed of?
Oh my goodness.
Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been anyone. You stole my heart like a thief on the run. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? And darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. I dream in color, you're black and white. And I prefer the country to your city lights. But we made our bed and it feels just right. So I'll stay here with you for the rest of my nights. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. Oh, it's beautiful, the life that we've made here. Oh, it's beautiful, and I don't want to take it for granted. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me.